What are carb withdrawal symptoms? What does sugar withdrawal feel like? So sugar affects the brain much like a drug, and depending on how much you consume, there can be symptoms associated with withdrawal. So this can include cravings, obsession, mood swings, fatigue, dizziness, and irritability. And these symptoms are the same as if you gave up any other drug like nicotine or cocaine, which affects the brain in a similar way. Fortunately, the majority of symptoms will only last a few days, and after a few weeks, you will be clean. Once the sugar addiction has gone, you will notice a reduced desire for sweet foods and less anxiety around food. This is the time it takes to detox both your gut bacteria and increase specific receptors in the brain. Sugar creates an artificial happiness, which you may miss when you cut it out. Distraction and alternative sources of fun and entertainment are key to riding out the experience. The benefits of cutting out this addictive and toxic drug far outweigh the initial discomfort, and after a very short period of time, the food freedom will feel so much more powerful than the sugar drug. Guys, I promise you, take it from a recovering sugar addict.